Welcome to Mom and Me, Powerhouse and TATY Manila exclusive KIDpentry workshop. We're thrilled to have you and your little ones here today. We at Powerhouse are excited to share this creative and fun experience with you.
TATY. TATY stands for Thrive and Through Art. Okay? So there's a lot of things about TATY. We offer woodworking, but not simply as woodworking for kids.